California's Garage. My name is Captain Lloyd, and this is a cool old 83 Vandura 2500 that, we've been doing the revival on. Now with the new tires on it, I just went for a test drive. This thing runs really good, actually. Stops, runs, drives, I love this van, honestly. It's so much fun. With the 350 to 700 R4, it actually has quite a bit of pickup and go, even though this thing weighs quite a bit. But it gets down the road pretty decent. I might give my Mustang a run for its money for speed, even though, nothing's slow. So, that just goes to show you, though, how fast one of these can be, right? That's very cool. Yeah. Anyways, let us give you a tour of this thing. A little more cleaned up. It's not perfect, but I don't think I'm going to get it too much cleaner than this. There will be a little more vacuuming and stuff like that I do before it's actually listed for sale, but other than that, it's ready to go as is. So if we take a look here, I'll show you what's up with this thing. So, as you can see, the exterior still looks largely the same, except for what we did was we actually found another center cap, which was that one there, in a pile around here, so that was cool. We painted the wheels white because trying to find the actual burgundy that it's supposed to be, it's actually kind of expensive. To order that can in, it was gonna be like 40 bucks, and we said no, and we just did white instead, and it works, and honestly it looks good. They're not absolutely perfect. If somebody really wanted to, they could redo those in the burgundy or redo them in white as well, if they so desired. And yeah, every time you close the door, a little bit more rust falls out of there. I just hope it doesn't go up too far, because it's kind of a bad sight there. But yeah, anyways, if we take a look, well, let's go to the driver's side first, because I want to pop the hood. Not that you can see much under the hood of this thing, I will tell you that right now. Where's the hood release? There it is. Let's take a look. Again, not that you can see much under here, but there we go. So, looking under the hood here, again, we didn't really do much cleanup in here, but you can barely see stuff in here, but stuff is still accessible, although it is missing a cap for the, is that the rad overflow? I think so. So it is missing that. It is a little loud. I think it needs manifold gaskets, but overall it's pretty decent. And it's not super rusty, so that's the benefit of this one. Anyways, if we let's pop onto the passenger side here. And again, it's a lot cleaner. It's not super clean, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. Let me get that out of the shot. And there's apparently pine cone in here. It's really cool. I've got the twin sunroofs open. Yeah, like I said, I took this thing for a test drive, and honestly, if somebody could go take this right now, there is a couple of minor issues that need to be addressed before you could actually take this camping, but it will run and drive down the road though just fine. I'll explain what those issues are after. But of course, still, again, a little more cleanup in here, not a ton more that I can really do at the moment. And also, not all the curtains are up. I just have singles up. To be honest, I prefer it like this at the moment. If somebody else wants to, they can put the two up on each one, because I do have them. This seat will actually fold down into a bed, and we do have a mattress topper for this. It's a foam topper with a essentially a sheet for it that'll fit over it nicely. Right, if we take a look back here, you can see all those. There's even some Ziploc baggies and a little bag there. Plus, there is a window scraper slash, brush Right? I love this van a lot. You know, I got the table set up here. You know, it needs a couple of cup holders. You know, I use 3 of them, but other than that, it's good to go. It's not in the best condition overall, but you know, it's not bad. The thing I noticed though is that when you have the table set up, you can't swivel the chairs out. So you have to swivel them first, then set this up. So kind of annoying, but oh well. Now, well here, you guys should hear this thing run, actually. Now bear in mind, this is after it ran and had the kick down. On initial startup, it is a lot louder than that, but you know, it sounds pretty decent too, like if you listen to it. You know, and like I said too, it's got brand new tires on it, like absolutely brand new. They have less than 30 kilometers on them. Just got them yesterday. And yeah, now let me just shut it off here and we'll talk about it. Alright, so this thing, it does have a couple of minor issues. Nothing that's going to be like detrimental though to you actually taking this out and driving it down the road, because I just took it up and down the road. Runs great, you know, as you heard. It takes a minute to start it, but it is carbureted and it hasn't run properly for a long time. Once this thing starts driving more, it'll run a lot better. But you know, basically, like, I noticed that the right signal light doesn't work in this thing. And also I think one of the lights are not working, and some of the lights inside, like the accessory lights, they were working, now they're not. I tried pulling the fuse and then tried to put it back in and I couldn't quite get it back in again. So just again, minor thing that might just need somebody that could finesse it a little better. I don't know why, it just won't go back in for that reason. But yeah, you know, other than that, you know, the stereo does work. It just not all the speakers do. It's only like one speaker or like 1 or 2 speakers in the back, and then 1 speaker up front is working, the rest aren't, so it's kind of weird. The air conditioner, it does work, it just needs a recharge, because when you do turn it on, it does kick on, but it's not blowing out like cold air at the moment, so it might just need a recharge. And beyond that, you know, the 350 in this thing is quite nice. The 700 R4, once it kicks into the 4th gear at overdrive, it cruises down the road. Now, like I said, I think it needs maybe manifold gaskets or something like that, because it is a little loud under there when you're driving it down the road. So, you know, just minor things like that. Other than that, you know, this is a great van for somebody just to go take camping. Like, this is not one that you're probably going to restore, but this is one where if you want just a cheaper vehicle to take out and camp, or turn into, you know, get into that van lifestyle, here it is, right? It's perfect for that. It's got the swivel buckets all the way around. You know, it's got the nice plush velour all along it. It's got the shag carpet. It's got all the lights. It's got the stereo in it. You know, like, what else can you ask for, right? Maybe a fridge. You know, which oddly enough, there is a fridge on the property in another van, which I might try and install in this thing, but I doubt it. I don't even know if it works or anything like that. It's been sitting back there for I don't even know how long. But yeah, no, this is a cool van that honestly, if I had the money and the space, I would buy this thing in a heartbeat off of Greg. But I can't justify it, you know. There's no justifying this purchase for me at this time, because yeah, I could, you know, do a deal with Greg where I sell a few more of his vehicles and then a percentage, you know, like I did with the Capri deal, but no, it's not gonna happen. And if you guys don't know about the Capri deal, basically there's a couple of videos. You have to go back a ways. This was last summer, that I did a few videos on a 84 Mercury Capri. Oh, no, 83, 84. 84 Mercury Capri. And it looked to be a fairly good nick. However, it wasn't as good of condition as we originally thought. Not that, I mean, I didn't know it at the time when I traded it, but basically a friend of mine traded me that Capri for Lilo, my 86 convertible, which you can see on the channel as well. And that thing right now, motor's on its way out. It's done, you know. It's going to be getting a new heart here soon, and it's going to be really fun. It's going to have a lot of power when I'm done. I wasn't really trying for that, but for the price that this motor is, I can't say no to it. Yeah, actually, it's really warm out here. Surprised. It's nice to have a proper day. But yeah, other than that, you know, this thing is here, and it'll be listed very soon. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today is Thursday, what is it? The 14th or 15th today? I can't remember. Anyways, you know, it's Thursday in April. I think it's the 17th today, because yeah, actually, no, not 17th. 17th is on Saturday. Doesn't matter. Anyways, doesn't matter. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did, you know, please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, because there will be a lot more videos like this in the future. There will be some other ones, like you guys may have seen my Junkyard Tour Part 2 and Rust We Trust video that I did yesterday. And that video, it's actually doing quite well right now, considering I posted it at like midnight, and it's still getting quite a bit of views, so it's quite nice, actually. That video, I mean, I'm not surprised. I'm sitting beside a 1960 Brookwood wagon in the video, right? That's a thumbnail, right? I'm just doing this for the thumbnail, and it's great. So, yeah, that wagon's cool. If you haven't checked that out, you know, go check that out. I also have a couple other van videos, like I did one on the Econoline, well, actually it's the Club Wagon, that's sitting right there. I did another one on the Chevy G10, that's on this property as well. And there will be more in the future, you know, because, yeah, they're cool. I love vans. As well, provided it works out, fingers crossed, because this will probably go up tomorrow, which is Friday. If everything works out, I'm going to be going to the Dark Horses Mustang Meet and Cruise, actually, in Calgary. You know, it's at the New Horizon Mall, and it should be great fun, to be honest. I won't be in any of my cars. I'll actually be with my friend Cody. I'm pretty sure he's going to be driving his 2020 Mustang, so that's fine. I don't expect him to let me drive it at all, and that's totally cool. It's California Special, really cool. I will be doing a video on that thing in the future, because it'll be super fun. You know, kind of potentially one-up Teen Mechanics video of the 2020 GT Premium, or 2021 GT Premium that he just did the other day. You know, that was a few days ago. So, yeah, that's a really nice car, too. That was a manual, though. You know, this one's an automatic, but it's a California Special, so it's a little more unique. And rare, too, because it's a 2020 California Special, because all the plant shutdowns and stuff like that. But yeah, that's some stuff I have planned as well. There's going to be a video that I filmed tomorrow on a Firebird. You guys, I hope you enjoyed that one, because that thing is gorgeous. I've met the owner. I've seen the car in person. I love it. You know, it's a first-gen Firebird. I can't remember if it was a 67 or 68, but it is a, you know, 60s Firebird. It's not a 69 though. So yeah, it's purple and it's badass and it's gorgeous. There will be other van videos in the future. There just won't be as many as, say, the car or the truck videos, because there's just more of that I get a hold of, or maybe not so much get a hold of per se, but that are around, right? You know, if somebody brings me a van to shoot, oh hell yeah, I'm in. I love vans, I really do. I've always liked vans, and you know, like, I prefer the non-high tops, but actually, like, for looks wise on the outside, but on the inside, I prefer the high tops, right? It's kind of one of those deals, sort of thing. They look better. But anyways, I'll end this here. Thank you all so much for watching. You know, I already did that spiel. See, this is why you watch till the end, because you get to see me ramble and stuff like that, right? It's just, you know, fun. I have fun with these. But yeah, it's a gorgeous day. And, yeah, I hope you're staying safe during COVID-19. Please follow your local guidelines, wear your mask when required, all that different stuff. And, yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video. Okay, see you later. Bye. Pikachu!